It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2025 F-150 XLT in Oxford white. And you have the cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This is a PowerBoost, so it has a 3.5 liter V6 engine. It's a hybrid. It's a 4x4 with an automatic transmission. You also have the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, a power sliding rear window, and many other features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 3.5 liter hybrid engine. It's a PowerBoost. So it uses both gasoline as well as a battery. So it has a 45 kilowatt hour motor and a 1.5 kilowatt hour liquid cooled battery. And it's an automatic transmission as well. It's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you have these nice F-150 logo all-weather mats, electronic parking brake, high mount light, gas cap release, and lighting controls. There's a running board and grab handle, just makes it easier to get in. And then on the face of the steering wheel, we have lane keeping, cruise control, your volume, menu, and hands-free dialing. And this is a push start, so foot on the brake, key in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. Now you notice this is whisper quiet, and you're seeing that ready in green on the right hand side, and that is because this is a PowerBoost. This is a hybrid, and so when we're idling and about to propel, we're using the battery, and then when you get up to speed, you're going to kick into the gas, and this just does it automatically. You don't have to plug this in, you don't have to change anything. And then in the center here, we've got a cubby up top, and we've got our display screen. Here's the parking assist and hill descent. We've got a mini map on the side, and we've got our main one here, so we can touch on that. Our sources are AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. We can go into navigation, and in there, we're gonna get the full map, and then we can choose our destination. We can go into settings and just slide through for what we'd like and choose from there. And then in our features, we've got our owner's manual, our towing zone lighting, our Pro Power on board, so you can charge up and connect items, and they'll charge as you're moving, and driver assistance. This is also where we're going to see our backup camera view. So I've just put the vehicle in reverse. There we are in space. You've got a 360 camera, center line, green, yellow, red, just how close we are to other objects or vehicles. This is just a protective cover here. I'm going to put us back into park. Down below we have volume and tuner. Now I'm not in gear when I hit this camera, and this is just giving me a view so I can see what's going on before I head out. And then we just press it again, hazard lights and traction control, and then down below the dual climate control, dual heated seats, the AC and max AC, front and rear defrost, and your fan. And then down below USB-C and USB plus a wireless charging pad. And then over to this side we have our Pro Trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, and we've got our 4x4 with the drive mode and the rear locking differential. Now I'm going to dial through the drive mode, and you'll see it on the dash. So there's normal, and then we're going to slippery, off-road, and we're going to the right here, and rock crawl. And then as we go to the left, we're going to go to tow haul, eco, and sport. So depending on the road conditions, the weather conditions, you can choose different drive modes for more or less traction or control. And then we have our automatic select shifter. We can make the shifter go down, gives us more room. We've got a couple of cup holders, but the other thing that we have is a mobile office. So we can unclip the center console, and it gives us this flat surface. You can have lunch, put your work surface for whatever you need to do, and then just pop it back. You don't lose the storage underneath, so you just open that up, got a nice little bin, lots of room down below, plus a place to charge, and then you can close it up. We can bring this back up, just a touch of a button, and then here we've got our 120 with the 28, and we've got 2 glove compartments. That one's the upper one that releases there, and that is the locking one down below. Grab handle in the body, and then auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls. And then we also have the power sliding window in the rear, sunglass holder, and we're all set to go. 20-inch wheels with a black painted interior, and you've got the badging that's blacked out. So that tells you that there's a black appearance package for this XLT. You also have body color door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. And there's also the PowerBoost badging. This tells you that this is a hybrid. And you also have a black running board. Driver's side capless easy fuel gas filter, the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. In the rear, you're seeing the LED light, and just above the handle is where the backup camera is located. Backup sensors on your bumper, and you have a 4 and 7 pin connector as well as a trailer tow hitch. And you're seeing this nice little step. I'm just going to come in close here, and you can see that there's integrated step there. And then when we want to open up the tailgate, we just double click the fob and it'll power it down for you. And then you've got tie downs in all 4 corners as well. We've got outlets located here. And there you go. And we also have 2 measuring sticks. One is metric and the other is imperial. There's clamps if you want to do a little bit of work here. And then you've got a tailgate step. So just push the button and pull it out. You're seeing that yellow button, and what's that does is it pulls out to create a handle, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows and grab handle in the body. There's seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. And you just lift the seat with one hand. It's in the upright position. You've got this nice little bin that's collapsible. And then you also have the extra carpeted mats as well as the all-weather mats. And then just pull the tab. You can bring it right down. Anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat. A couple of cup holders. You've got your outlet located here, the 12-volt. Air vents. Down below, you're seeing that ambient lighting, that's that little blue glow. USB outlets plus the 120. Grab handle on the driver's side, lighting and hooks. And in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. 5.5-foot box with a tailgate step, mud flaps, and you have privacy glass in the back windows with window vents. Inside you have black sport material, a seat for 5, 360 camera, as well as blind spot information system in your side view mirrors. And you've got halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.